Okay, today we are going to talk about KUXIU 3-in-1 Qi2 wireless charger. I have bought that for Thea, but after we both, me and Thea, we have used this KUXIU 3-in-1 Qi2 wireless charger for a few weeks and we are totally disappointed. I'm gonna share all the details why we are disappointed and our true experience with the product. But before we start the video, one request. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh, I wanted to mention another thing. I have already reviewed this Xiaomi 14T Pro. So if you are interested in this Xiaomi 14T Pro, I hope that you will check my video because I believe you will like it. I have also reviewed Huawei Watch GT5 and well, am I disappointed with these products? Let's check the videos and then you will know. KUXIU 3-in-1 Qi2 wireless charger's build quality is disappointing, especially considering the aluminum alloy construction. While it looks sleek, the feel is quite average compared to other brands. The folding mechanism is lumpy, making adjustments awkward rather than smooth. Another major issue is the weak magnets. They simply don't hold the phone securely, which is a significant drawback for a magnetic charger. Overall, the build and design don't deliver the premium experience you'd expect from a product which comes with a flagship price tag. When it comes to charging, KUXIU 3-in-1 Qi2 wireless charger is underwhelming. Advertised to deliver 15 watt of power for iPhones, it barely manages 10 watt in practice. Worse, the Qi2 wireless charger heats up quickly, raising concerns about both the charger's durability and the safety of our devices. Overheating can cause long-term damage to our phone's battery, and that's not something to overlook. The charger also struggles with charging alignment. Earbuds need to be positioned perfectly to start charging, which defeats the purpose of convenience. These issues make the charging experience more frustrating than it should be. Usability is another area where KUXIU 3-in-1 Qi2 wireless charger falls short. Charging an Apple Watch is a challenge due to the limited space around the charging pack, making it difficult to place the watch correctly. This is especially frustrating when you are in a hurry. The whole point of a 3-in-1 charger is to simplify our life. But this one does the opposite. Instead of being convenient, it adds unnecessary hassle to a simple task. Okay, before we go ahead and put a conclusion or write a verdict about this KUXIU 3-in-1 Qi2 wireless charger, there is another thing. Personally, I like this brand. I have reviewed some of their other products and I really like those products. But this one, KUXIU 3-in-1 Qi2 wireless charger, nope, it didn't work. In conclusion, KUXIU 3-in-1 Qi2 wireless charger fails to deliver in key areas like build quality, charging performance, and ease of use. If you are looking for a reliable multi-device charger, this one isn't it. I would recommend exploring other options like Anker MagGo 3-in-1 wireless charger. Well, if you have found this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.